What's distinctive about doing film at Plymouth College of Art is that students make films all the time. They are in close contact with industry specialists. We are members of NAHIMI, which is the National Association for Higher Education in the Moving Image. So we have a great dialogue with industry professionals, film production companies, organisations like BAFTA and CHEED. We've got a really strong relationship with Aesthetica Film Festival, which is a huge film festival in York that celebrates short film. We quite often have a showcase of our own student work up there.
The ERC, our Equipment Resource Centre, it's got some quite interesting equipment in it across the entire college, but particularly for film, we have a lot of motion picture film cameras. You have the opportunity to shoot on film. In the second year, there's a Kodak competition. We compete with lots of other universities around the country, making a 30-second commercial for Kodak, and they send you the film. You get given a live brief. You have to shoot on 16mm film. The interesting thing with that is it's kind of a little bit different than just shooting video all the time. The planning and everything is essential.
We've got a lot of friends who are working in the film industry who are always really generous with their time, and they love to come and talk to the students about what they're doing. In the last few years we welcomed Walter Campbell, best known for the very famous Guinness surf advert. We've welcomed Ben Wheatley, feature film director, best known for Free Fire, Field in England. We were lucky to meet Jan Harland. He was Stanley Kubrick's producer, and he's very keen to just keep coming back to see what we're doing. He's got a kind of affinity with the place and he loves it here.
The course is super broad. It's not just about technical camera gear, it's also about writing, directing, production design. We have a big warehouse facility where we've built full sets. There's been everything from Afghanistan outposts built down there to sci-fi sets, train carriages. Production design is a big thing here. You know, some students just come into the course in the first year, decide they want to be a production designer, and that's kind of where they focus all their energy. You know, they might not even touch a camera from then onwards, but they're just working collaboratively with other students, cinematographers, writers, directors, making the worlds that the film is shot in.
It doesn't matter if you've got experience in making films or not, but if it's something you're really, really into and you want to be hands-on and just go for it and learn the craft, then come and do it.